Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Bryce, and I'm with Susquehanna Valley High School here in Conklin, New York. And right now we're going to talk about how to find a linear regression. Now, don't get really, upset when you see state the linear regression of the function. It just means find the equation of the line. Okay? Very simple. Linear looks like line, and that's exactly what it is. So find the equation of the line. One of the easiest ways to do is to use your graphing calculator. You hit the stat key, and then you want to edit. So you can hit enter. Here's list one, here's list two. List one is the X values, the domain, X values. List two is the Y values, the range. So if it doesn't tell you which one is X and Y, the top one will be X, the bottom one will be Y. So you enter in the numbers. Now here there are 9 days. So I entered in 9 numbers, and you can see right here it says there are 9. Once I enter the last number, I can hit the right arrow and it pops me right up into the Y column or the range column. I took a look and read the question. It didn't say anything about rounding to nearest thousand, so we're not making this 29. It's 29,000. So I'm going to enter in the numbers. Now I want you to notice that when we entered these in, I entered in the last one, and it's the same level. And also, when I'm on top of it, it says I entered in 9 numbers. So we're good. Now that I've entered in all of the numbers, I go to stat again because I want to calculate. So I can go over to calculate, hit right arrow once. I want to calculate. This one said find the linear regression. So lin reg, linear regression. I can either down arrow to 4 or I can hit choice 4. Now you have to hit enter until you're calculating the answer. This is the answer. Now I just have to write down what the answer is. Y equals the A number first, negative 58. It says the nearest integer, X plus 6,182. So we have our answer, but we didn't show any work. So let's just show our work. Stat, edit, enter data. Then you hit the stat key. Then you do choice, then you go right arrow to calc. And then you do choice 4, which is lin reg. And then you hit enter. You can say that you hit enter several times, and there's your answer. Now there's one more thing that I want to bring to your attention. State the correlation coefficient. This one was nice enough to say it's the R number. So on our calculator, we have the R number, and it's negative 0.9. And does it say, I'm just going to go to the hundredths, 0.94. What does that mean? Explain your reasoning. State the correlation coefficient of R to the nearest hundredths. There it goes. Does R indicate a strong linear relationship between the variables? Yes, strong, because it is near -1 or +1. Because it's near -1, it's a strong correlation. If it's close to +1, it's also a strong correlation. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. Have a great day. Watch this several times over.